If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
For those who need to, gaining weight is as hard a task as losing it is for others. People often believe that cramming their faces with tempting junk and fried foods will do the trick. But tragically, that only leads to other ailments like diabetes, heart issues, and fat in all the wrong places. I am Neha Ranglani, and this is the right way to gain weight. The best way to gain weight is to eat nutrient-dense natural foods that are unprocessed for every meal. A few examples of these are potatoes, whole grains such as brown rice, jawar, ragi, and pulses such as kidney beans or rajma or chana. And if you're an vegetarian, then egg yolks could be an option. Avoid empty calorie foods like sugars and aerated drinks as they only create havoc in the digestive system. It's not only proteins you require, because a good combination of carbs along with them helps your body build a better and stronger muscle mass. So here's what you need to eat. Mineral-rich foods like brown rice, millets, oats, quinoa, and proteins like beans, pulses, and nuts, which will give you the energy in a slow and sustained manner while feeding your muscles as well. Now that's how you bulk up. You can do this by choosing to eat good fats. Fats are a great source of energy to help build a good deal of muscle mass. Always remember that coconuts in any form are a great source of fat as they provide instant energy and without taxing your liver. Instead of having extremely processed fats in the form of refined oils like sunflower, safflower, and butter, go for wholesome fats like nut butters, avocado, and cold-pressed oils like coconut and olive oil for dressings. To up your appetite, try eating small portions of nutrient-dense meals like sweet potato, nuts, and potato salad as opposed to eating big heavy meals all at once. It may seem like you're eating a lot at first, but your body will soon get accustomed to it and only begin to feel hungry when the mealtime approaches. Doing this is not only gentle on your digestive system, but also doesn't leave you feeling bloated and sluggish. Mid-meal snacking helps by adding those extra calories you need during the day to accomplish your weight gain goals. I advise all my clients to snack on fruits like bananas, mangoes, chikus, and pineapples, to name a few, as they are loaded with nutrients and stress-busting antioxidants. And here's a little bonus: weight gain facts, the stuff you need to know. Activities like strength training, yoga, and CrossFit won't just help you build muscle, but also help you put on that healthy weight. Unwind with pleasant activities that help lower cortisol, a stress-induced hormone which is a huge hindrance to a weight gain journey. Focus on sleeping well, as it releases growth hormones and washes away all the toxins from the body, which helps your body grow faster and respond better to your weight gain efforts. Gaining weight is not just about adding kilos on the scale, but building your muscle mass and a good proportion of fat to feel fit, strong, healthy, and energetic. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.